ready to leave the Naga Stone. A total of 200 kilos, and they'll be given only 1 minute to do that. This is Mr. Cavity with the Naga Stone.
Lightweight.
Alright, after we're done with the competition, if you're out there watching this event and if you feel that this is a little easy for you, we want to give you the opportunity to do. We want to give you the opportunity. क्या आप ये नहीं खेलना चाहते? आपसे होगा ये नागा स्टोन हो जाएगा। इस कंपटीशन के बाद ना हम आपको एक चांस देगा। अगर आप ये नागा स्टोन उठाने से आपको 10,000 कैश देगा। मंजूर है? कोशिश करिए क्या है? और फेल होने से आप हमको 20,000 देगा। It's a bet that's going on. Okay, after this competition, if he's able, that gentleman from Bihar, his first visit here in Nagaland, if he's able to lift this up, I'll give him 10,000. If he's not able to lift this up, he'll give me 20,000. Fair enough. Alright, so there is one show you can stay around, you know, and make sure that you want good things, you come to Kohima. This is the right place, this is the best place, and we're happy that you've decided to be here. Ladies and gentlemen, here is Mr. Hawkip attempting to lift this 200 kilo Naga stone. Anybody willing to take up the challenge right after the end of the competition? If you want to give a hand, if you want to come and try, we're going to give you the liberty to do that. But remember, you'll be doing at your own risk. The organizers will not be held responsible for anything, so you can come and try your hand. This is the Naga stone. He's lifting a total of 200 kilos, and it's not going to be easy. Just imagine a strong man like you struggling to lift this one. People like us, just looking at you, it's a treat. This is such a delight. To all the competitors, safety first. Sorry. Alright, no problem. Alright, here's Mr. Batangulo. Remember, he's a national champion and he is here to give a tough challenge to our defending champion, Mr. Serevizo. After him, we have Mr. Serevizo, and then that's it for the strongman competition. Here's Mr. Vikas, ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Manipur. First time here in Kohima, first time in the competition, first time here in the Hornbill Festival, first time here.
I know your strength, you can live it, bro.
gentlemen, for the whole of us. Let's show him some love and support. Mr. Senap is representing Nagaland. Mr. Senap is representing Kohima. Wonderful lift. That brings us to the end of this competition. We are waiting for the judges to come.